So following this race, we will get going with our Sportsman heat races, and then it will be spectacular drag time. So get to your car, get to the pit gate, get signed up. As we get ready to go Bandit racing, they come, green flag, and we're racing. Looks like Kyle Rush may have checked up there out of turn 4. Don't know, but he's getting, oh, hang on to it, Kyle.
Yeah, he checked up all right and almost checked out in turns number 1 and 2. Watch out for that Wild Child, though. We've seen his hood come up before. 16 laps later, he wins it.
Well, he drove that car for 16 laps with the hood open. Isn't that amazing?
And his head cranked to the side, barely deceived it.
Yeah, he said he had some his neck was sore the next day.
16 laps around this track that fast? Yeah, I think I would too. Schneider out front. 51 car, Kyle Rush right there. Eric Pearson in that 5E. Garrett Braden running off your top 4. Cassidy Frisch, Rich Schinderling, and Sean Bauer.
Frisch trying to hang on to that inside as she's getting pressure from Rich Schinderling. He's getting ready to try to make his move and pass Cassidy.
Wild Child has only won 1 heat this year. He's got 3 features and 2 dashes in his back pocket. Of course, he's dominating the figure 8s, which we will see later tonight.
Notice on his car there, Eric, we got to mention they get, oh, hang on to it, Garrett Braden. They get stickers when they win features, as the Wild Child's got a whole bunch of them right there on the front of that windshield of that 26 car.
It's a good feeling.
Yep, I wouldn't know.
I wouldn't either.
As Cassidy Frisch working her way towards the back, here comes Sean Bauer trying to look to Cassidy's inside.
Eric Pearson in that silver car holding onto that 3rd spot. Nice car for a new night. The Wild Child in the 26 car trying to hold him off with a few to go. Kyle Rush and Pearson right there. Garrett Braden. Schinderling rounding off your top 5. Bauer trying to sneak in there as there's 1 to go.
Trying to go back to single file racing. Maybe that inside's just a little too tricky right now. Everybody kind of stay in their groove on the outside. And it's going to be the Wild Child first, Kyle Rush second, Eric Pearson third, Garrett Braden 4th, Rich Schinderling 5th, Sean Bauer 6th, Cassidy Frisch rounding out the race in the 63/32 car. So that's going to do it for our Bandit heat races. Sportsmen are on the ticket next. Following the Sportsmen will be our Spectator drag.